Okay, welcome back. I've been asked a few questions about this ghost app thing that Fiona's been using. I've seen it on YouTube. Loads of people have got these ghost apps and they go around these places and see what they can pick up. Now, looking at it from a scientific perspective, because I don't bring religion into my videos at all, okay, or politics, if I can help it. I know it's hard to avoid, but purely scientifically, I'm thinking to myself, well, if an application on a phone can pick up things that we can't hear, for example, the human eye can see all reflected light from infrared through to ultraviolet, and that's about it. That's the limit. You can see all the colours in between, but obviously a camera can pick up things outside of that scope. Thermal imaging, for example. I mean, we can't see heat in the dark, but thermal imaging cameras can, for example, and they can show us things. So a camera theoretically can see a lot more than the human eye, and if it can translate it into images that the human eye can see, then cameras are very, very useful to us to see things that we can't normally see. And the same goes for sound, hearing. Obviously, your hearing range, I'm 60 odd now, so my hearing isn't as good as when I was a teenager, for example. Your hearing range, frequency range goes from low to high, and that's it. I dare say we all vary a little bit. Some of us have got better hearing than others, but outside of that hearing range, frequency range, we can't hear anything. But that doesn't mean microphones can't. And this is very useful. And if the apps are scientific and they're based on seeing things that are outside of the human range, that's genius, that's brilliant. And if they can transfer that information into something that we can see and we can hear, then that's brilliant. And so I'm really open-minded with these apps. When you say, oh, I've got a ghost app, I'm going to go down into the cellar and listen to the ghosts, you think, yeah, of course you are. And it's very easy to be sceptical, and you think there's someone selling you an app. Like they're going to go away and go, ooh, and they're going to put all kinds of stupidness in there, that like a game, and suck in the gullible. So I'm obviously not a gullible person, but I am open-minded, okay? Because if an application is picking up things that we can't see and we can't hear, and it's translating it into something that we can see and we can hear, I'm going to go, that's interesting. And I'm going to try and logically work out what's actually happening, what I'm actually seeing and hearing. Because we're clearly not supposed to see or hear these things, are we? And the fact that we can't see them and can't hear them when they are there, and we have a means to see them and hear them, that fascinates me. I find that very, very interesting. Okay, and please don't start with demons and ghosts and spirits and stuff like this, because I honestly don't know what it is. You could be right. You might not be. Okay, because we don't genuinely know. So I'm just doing my own scientific sort of experiments, if you like, with my limited ability. Okay, so it's just a bit of fun. You can go on Google, you can go on ghost apps and download them for free. I don't know though. They say some of them are payware stuff that you got to buy. I don't know. Honestly, it's new to me. I've not come across it before this week. Fiona found it, and I've seen people on the internet doing it and going around and filming in darkness and seeing orbs and things. I've never done that. The only orbs I've seen have been dust floating around the room. But I'm completely open-minded and I'm quite interested in investigating it. I'm also into unidentified flying objects. I would love to see one. I'd love to fly one, a real alien spaceship. How cool would that be? Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell if you want to listen to more of my boring videos.